Hi, today we are going to be taking an unboxing review look at MOCHA SWiRL. Swirl. So yeah, it says MOCHA SWiRL on there. This one, which is a little odd and different because if we look at the other one over here, which I already did a review on, the package label tells you the flavor. Vanilla bean. This one says MOCHA SWiRL. But in the coffee cup here, it said warm and toasty. On this one, it just says MOCHA SWiRL. Which I like how the flavor is actually on the cup and on the package on this one. But this one actually has two contradictions. I mean, you know, it contradicts itself because you have the flavor on the package, but not on the actual product. The actual product says warm and toasty. This one says vanilla. This one says MOCHA SWiRL, MOCHA SWiRL. Right there. Says it tries what it is. This one, vanilla bean. Warm and toasty? Yeah. So, 14 ounces or 4 grams. A little bit smaller than your usual one. Where did I get it at? $1, you know, at Target. You know, in their dollar and up section that they usually have by the front door in the store, you know. Like that little section. So, yeah, if you want to see the ingredients on here, let me... There you go. So, you know, pause the video if you want to read all the ingredients and stuff that they use. So yeah, let's open this up. So yeah, if we take a look at the top of the cup, that's very awesome, very detailed for cup. Excuse me. It looks like, you know, the little ones that you pull up and then bend over and then push down. You know, like you get Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks or Burger King or McDonald's, or, you know, any of those ones. The container looks pretty nice and stuff. So yeah, let's just like the wheel thing right here. Let me see if I can get that to focus a little bit better. So yeah, definitely looks like that. Only on a small scale, like maybe a 1/144 scale, or maybe even a 1/100 scale compared to this. Yeah, that's definitely smaller, but you can tell the details right there. The way how the cup is made. And even on the lid. Of course, you know, this lid's a little bit different, but yeah. So, yep. You can tell that the lid's there. Let's pop this one off. Let's see if we can zoom in better on the detail on the lid. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, let me move that out of the way a little bit because I don't want to spill that, but yeah. Definitely. They nailed the, yeah. They definitely nailed the lightness on it. From the real coffee cup. So how do you get the chapstick to actually push up? Is it, you know, one that you gotta see your finger in and push it? You know, like those push pops that you used to get when you were a kid from the little, ice cream van, you know, ice cream car that used to go around down the streets and play that little jingle type of music. It goes da 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 da. Come and buy ice cream from me. If you don't, I'm leaving. Da 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 da. Too bad for you. You know what I'm talking about. Those little ice cream trucks that they had those little push pops. They had the little sticks that you push them and it comes up. Nope. This actually has a turn and twist, which is actually pretty cool. That has the turn and twist one. So yeah, let's just twist it up a little bit. As for the scent, I mean, you could definitely smell that there's a mocha scent to it. But not that much. I mean, scent-wise, the vanilla bean, or warm and toasty as it's actually called on the actual cup here. You know, the package says warm and... Yeah. The package says vanilla bean on the package, but the actual little cup says warm and toasty. This one has a great scent to it, I'll always tell you this. This one, no. I mean, how can it go from something that's great and awesome to something that kind of fails in the scent department? I don't know. So let me try some. It applies pretty easily to the lips, I would say that. So yeah. But not as great as this one. This one I love a lot better. The vanilla bean, or warm and toasty. If we compare that to the MOCHA SWiRL, this one for me just fails. The MOCHA SWiRL, yeah. I mean, MOCHA SWiRL on like the actual coffee and stuff is actually pretty good, but this, no, that's just nasty on it. I mean, this one is probably smooth and easy, just like, you know, if you've seen the video of the Burt's Bees one, it's probably like that, but scent-wise, it actually has no scent to it. I mean, there is scent to this one, but yeah, not that great of a scent, and you can tell that between these two, the vanilla bean, you know, warm and toasty one, versus the MOCHA SWiRL. MOCHA SWiRL, they cheaped out. They BS the BS-ness on the flavor of this MOCHA SWiRL. Now, the vanilla bean warm and toasty, they definitely did not